First of all, we should know that radius of circle is given by equation g square plus f square minus c. So in order to get these g square plus f square, we first of all we should know this is the circle, this is the center, and from center any other distance to circumference is radius. We are willing to determine this radius, but first of all we will determine its center. So center of a circle is given by coordinates like minus g minus f. So center is given as, from this equation, if we compare this general equation with our problem, we will get equal to 2gx is equal to 8x. From this g will become 4. Similarly, 2fy is equal to minus 6y, and f will become minus 3. So this is the center of the equation. We'll write minus g, this will become minus 4, this is minus f, this is minus 3, this will become positive 3. Now we have center, we have equation of radius. We will put coordinates of g and f, and c is equal to 5. C is this one, 5. So radius of circle is equal to minus 4 square plus 3 square plus 5. This will become 16 plus 9 plus 5. This will become 25 plus 5 and 30 under root. So radius of circle is under root 30. So in this way you can find the radius of circle and center of circle from general equation of circle by using this formula of radius of circle. So that's all from this video. Follow for more. Thank you very much.